From NBC News, this is Today, live from Studio 1A in Rockefeller Plaza.
Still to come on the third hour of Today, this influencer is trying to make water a little more exciting.
Let's actually get people closer to enjoying water again.
So, is it working? We'll give you one hint. Welcome back. All week we have been bringing you stories of some incredible influencers.
You have a really good one today. It's about water, all about water. Well, this is a really great one. This is a former AOL executive who had no experience in the beverage industry, but she dove in head first.
I never thought like, oh, this is going to be my new company. This is going to be, you know, the new product that I'm going to launch, until I recognized that nobody was actually doing this.
14 years ago, Goldin set out to ditch her diet soda habit and get healthy. She started drinking water, but says she quickly got bored with the lack of flavor. So she tried tossing different fruits into pitchers to change the taste. And Hint was born.
I was really looking for a product that was just water, fruit, and no sweeteners.
So you made it.
And then I made it.
Disrupting the beverage industry wasn't the initial goal.
I think the biggest problem that so many entrepreneurs have today is that they think like, oh gosh, how do I make this $1 billion company? I mean, for me, it was solving a problem for myself and for my family, first around health. And then I thought, wow, can I actually bring this to other consumers too, to actually help them?
Today, Hint, which has no sweeteners, no sugars, and no preservatives, is on shelves across the country with an estimated $100 million in sales.
So many women entrepreneurs and women female founders say, you know, I have a lot of self-doubt. And then others watch that and go, wow, you too, you really? Do you struggle with self-doubt?
It's lonely to be sitting at the top of a company. It's lonely to have a crazy idea.
What does that mean?
I think if you're trying to do something different and unique, that it's just a really tough situation to be in. I mean, here I'm coming in and talking about beverages in a way that, frankly, nobody was talking about. And I was saying, no, let's actually get people closer to enjoying water again, because if we can do that, then we can actually change health forever.
It's very like bright, colorful. These are the different flavors.
For Cara, family has always been at the heart of the business. She works side by side with her husband and is proud of the example she sets for her 4 children.
People are always like, oh, your daughters must be so proud of you. And my own son one day said to me, Mom, I didn't realize that women aren't CEOs of companies. And he said, but you've always been a CEO. If we're raising boys who are actually seeing women doing it, then I think that changes the paradigm.
As the Hint business continues to expand, so does Cara, who recently launched a digital platform as a way to give back to other entrepreneurs.
It's also just a place where people can have honest dialogue and, you know, talk to others.
Even as a mentor now, Cara still believes her kitchen is as important as day one.
Are you still experimenting at home?
Absolutely.
Still now?
Yeah, we have lots of fruit in our kitchen. It just depends on what kind of fruit is on the counter.
Well, Hint has also expanded into kids' water boxes and even safer sunscreen, and it is really good. It looks really simple, but it's been really complex getting here, but a huge success.
And I think it would be, like for my kids, for example, they don't drink soda, so if they could have this and it has a little bit of bubbly in it, and I can feel good about it.
That's right. That's what the kids' boxes.
I love that.
You feel good.
Thank you, Maria. Thank you. We'll be right back.